Hey guys, how's it going? How to make a text bigger on Snapchat. So first of all, just go ahead and open up the Snapchat app. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead before I do anything, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play. And from here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click right here the search, and I'm gonna just type right here Snapchat. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just double check if the Snapchat app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just get back to the Snapchat, click on your chats right here, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the chats right here, for example. Right now, if I wanted to make a text bigger or smaller, I'm gonna just go ahead right here and type, let's say for example, hi, and you're gonna see right here up and down in the blank, next to the blank, you're gonna be able to extend it or hold it and extend up or lower, right, to make it smaller, and you're gonna be able to release it to the chat. So let's say for example like this, right? Now I sent a bigger text. Let me show you again. Hi, and you're gonna see right here like an arrow up and down, the small one next to the photo library and all that. Just hold it and then move up and down, right, with your finger. Just move up and down, hold it, and basically what's gonna happen, you're gonna be able to send a bigger text or smaller text. Let me know in the comment if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.